Imagine unlocking over 100 colors from just one palette. Sounds impossible, right? I'll walk you through 5 watercolor hacks that will completely change the way you paint. Before you paint, swatching is your best friend. Colors often look different in the pan than on paper. So, creating a swatch chart helps you see the true color, opacity, and granulation of every shade. With a mixing grid, your 24 colors can suddenly feel like 100 plus. Every square reveals a unique new shade, so you'll never run out of options. And don't worry if you've never made one before, because it's super easy. First, draw a simple square grid. Label your colors across the top and down the side. Now, where each row and column meet, that's your mix. For example, the square where yellow meets blue becomes your green. Fill in every square and you'll see hundreds of mixes you didn't know your palette could make. Vibrant palettes are fun, but sometimes you need earthy tones. By mixing complementary colors, you can create stunning neutrals for shadows, skin tones, and backgrounds. Glazing is layering transparent washes of color once the first layer is dry. It creates depth, glowing shadows, and subtle color shifts without over-mixing on the palette. Always remember to let the first layer fully dry before glazing. Otherwise, you'll lift instead of layer. Sometimes, less is more. Try limiting yourself to 3 to 4 colors for painting. It forces harmony and you'll be surprised by the range you can achieve. So which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more watercolor magic. Oh, and since you made it all the way to the end of this video, here's a little reward. Use code HUE20 at checkout to get 20% off your Hue Me Watercolor Set. Consider it as your secret artist discount.